Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 80 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page almost daily where you can ask him questions. You can also compliment the crew and do complaints. We read the questions, he answers the questions. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you so you're not reading 1,000 questions a day. So on today's episode, we're talking about what does FFS stand for? Shaq's Big Chicken, ships, speeds, and locations, the Mardi Gras name, and multi-plugs and power strips. All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know, what does FFS stand for? They say John uses it a lot, and he actually names his cruise after it during his post, and this cruiser had no idea what it meant. John said it's for fun's sake, which we all know is the political version. We all know what FFS stands for. And if you've watched John or you know anything about John, you know it's not for fun's sake. I'll leave it at that. Question two. Which ships have Shaq's Big Chicken on board? John said right now it is the Celebration, the Jubilee, and the Mardi Gras, and the Radiance. Forgot about that one. And he said no doubt it will be on the new XL class ships, which are forthcoming. So if you like Shaq's Big Chicken, it's going to be on the new ships. It's on all the XL class ships currently and the Radiance. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you like cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question three. Why don't you add the ship speed and location into the Carnival Hub app? And I agree. It's one of the weird things I love watching. And some of the boats, they don't have it anywhere. So yeah, the answer is he's sure his colleagues are working on this because it's been recently suggested and he did bring it to the Beard's attention multiple times. I love Carnival, as you all know, but their Hub app has so much room for improvement, so I'm hoping they're really looking to do a lot of stuff with the Hub app. Question four. This cruiser asks why the Mardi Gras is the only ship without Carnival in front of it. It's literally just the Mardi Gras. Everything else is the Carnival Elation, Sunshine, on and on and on. They all have Carnival in front of it. And they were curious why this one doesn't. John said the reason it doesn't have it is because it's homage to the first ship. It was simply called the Mardi Gras. So when they reintroduced it, they paid homage to the original, just the Mardi Gras. Last question, hot button topic. They just read where another cruise line has banned all multi-plugs, all power strips, and added them to their prohibited items list. They wanted to know if Carnival is going to, well, jump on that ship. And are they going to ban the multi-strips? Because they said there's just not enough outlets in the rooms, which I agree. John said he has also read about this and assured everybody that Carnival will not be banning these. So you can bring a power strip, you can bring a multi-plug. You do have to make sure it does not have a surge protector. If it does, it will be confiscated. So you can bring a little multi-cube, a power strip, no surge protector, you'll be just fine. So that was episode 80 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Take care.